Hello and welcome again. And in this lecture, we're going to start off where we left off in our previous video. And here we're going to learn about transitions and different kind of effects. So you see here, there are videos and there are different four section of videos. So there are three intersection points. So if I play the video, it will something unnatural about the video. Just look closely during this intersection points. It will look more unnatural than natural. Just look at the first intersection points where the transition looks somewhat unnatural, and look at the last intersection points. And the transaction from the first video to the second video, it looks really unnatural. So how we can really make it look more natural? So how does filmmakers do that? So the things that we could use is called transitions. That really helps us to just make this kind of intersection looks much more natural. For example, we have different kind of transition available in Camtasia Studio. So first and foremost, we could use kind of fade transition. Just drag this transition and just drop it off this intersection point. And just let me take the cursor here. Just play the video. You're gonna see the first video will fade away and next one will fade next. So this looks much more natural and appealing, and will appeal to your audience more than if you did not use transitions. So you could use transition in all intersection points as well as and start or the end of the video. Just for example, let's see. So in the start, the video will just fade out a little bit at the start. So this kind of transition is not only used in intersection point as well as beginning and end of the videos as well. So there are different other transitions like circle stretch, for example. Just let's see how it works out with our videos that we have in hand. So this is this kind of cycle kind of fade away. This looks really nice. And another that we could use is like flip. Just let's see how it looks in our videos. Look, the first video flips away and the second video here. This looks really nice. We have other transition to paste turn ripple. Ripple is really I really like it personally. Just remove the transition and let's just use ripple here. And let's preview it. And okay, I really find this really handy ripple. I really like the ripple transition. And okay, use the ripple here. This is my personal favorite. It really works out. There are different other ripples, other kind of transition available here that you use, like dissolve. The first video will dissolve, then the second video will appear. So you can just play around with all the transitions that we have here and just find the best one that really really suit you. So I could like pixelate and just let's see how it works out. Yeah, that's nice. We could use glow. It's kind of a similar effect. Just first video becomes blurry and the second video just start appearing. So there are others like, let's see how it works. So there are different tons of different transition. For example, this one looks like it's gonna kind of a wheel something. First one will just fade out and the second one will start appear. It's really really nice software, really nice transition available here in this Camtasia Studio for free that we could use in our videos for YouTube or any kind of contents. It's really helpful as all of them are free. So I guess you can just play around with a little bit and find the one that really suits your content and use it to your convenience. And just really as simple as that. And I guess you have found valuable information in this lesson. So stay tuned for the next lesson, and bye.